Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo A78 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to fix power button not working in your phone Oppo A78 5G. Suppose power button is not properly working in your phone, you should do some changes in the settings so that you can avoid using power button and you can use soft key to lock your screen and unlock your screen. So what you have to do is go to the settings first, then go to home screen and lock screen, and here select double tap to lock, just to turn on this button, and also just to turn on this button, double tap to wake or turn off the screen, so that you can use your screen to lock your phone and unlock your phone. Okay, now my phone is not locked, so to turn off the screen, what you have to do is just double tap on the empty screen in home screen, and home screen and the screen will be just completely turned off and it is locked. Okay, to unlock your phone, just double tap on the locked screen and phone screen will wake up. Now swipe up and you can enter your pattern for unlocking your phone. So in this way you can easily use double tap feature to lock your phone and unlock your phone without using power key, so that you can avoid side button to unlock or lock your phone. Okay, so in this way you can easily fix if power button is not working properly in your phone Oppo A78 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.